At Darbhanga, Bihar, there's a student named Santosh Kumar Yadav who had to write the NEET exam yesterday. So, his center was assigned at Calcutta. So, on Saturday, the 12th of September, he had to travel to Sialda, which is around 700 kilometers traveling. He had to go with 3 different buses and a taxi to reach the examination center. At Saturday morning 8 a.m., he travelled from Darbhanga to Muzaffarpur. And from Muzaffarpur to Patna, it was really difficult. There was a lot of traffic, and somehow he reached Patna at 9 p.m. and reached Sialda at 1 in the noon. And the 13th of September was the NEET exam, and he reached Sialda at 1:06 p.m. exactly. And he had to get a taxi there to the NEET center at Salt Lake. He reached the exam center at 1:40 and at 1:40 p.m. he reached the center but was denied access. He was pleading the authority to allow him to the exam room. He missed the exam only by 10 minutes. Apparently, the exam was to be started at 2 p.m., but 1:30 was the final receiving time of students. (1:30 to 2 p.m. was the time given for checking the hall ticket and giving out their answer sheets. But Santosh Kumar was only 10 minutes late, and that cost him a year. He had to go through certain difficulties in that 700-kilometer travel, and it ended up in vain. It is really, really sad.